Okay, so hello. Here we are to convert 13.75 base 10 to binary. Now, this is a decimal number. You might be like, can we convert a decimal number to binary? Yes, actually very possible. What we're going to do is that we'll convert the whole number to binary, convert the decimal part to binary, then we'll join our results together. It's very simple. So we start by converting 13 base 10 to base 2. And how do we do that? We use the repeated division method. We divide 13 repeatedly by 2. So we are going to have 13. We divide it by 2. 13 divided by 2, that will give us 6, remainder 1. Then 6 divided by 2, that will give us 3, remainder 0. 3 divided by 2, that will give us 1, remainder 1. Then 1 divided by 2, 1 is smaller than 2, so we say 0, remainder 1. Then our final answer will be upwards, not downwards, be upwards. So 13 base 10 will now be equals to 1101 base 2. We have converted 13 to base 2. Now it remains 0.75. So how do we convert a decimal part to binary? It's very simple. Now converting this 0.75 to binary is actually very simple. We are going to be doing the total opposite of this here. This is whole number, this is decimal. So we do the opposite of this in this place. Here we're repeatedly dividing by 2, but here we're going to be repeatedly multiplying by what? 2. That is, we are going to be multiplying 75 repeatedly by 2. So 75 times 2. So we have 2 times 5, that's 10. 0, carry 1. Then 2 times 7 is 14. That plus 1 gives us 15. That's right, 5, carry 1. Now there's no number for us to carry 1 on. So we're going to be writing those numbers separately. Any number you carry, like any last number you carry, you write it, keep it out separately. Okay, then let's continue to multiply. To multiply 50 by 2 also, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 5 again is 10. That's 0, carry 1. Maybe we have to carry 1 on, so we'll keep that 1 here. We have 0, 0, so nothing to multiply again. Therefore, 1, 1 is our final answer. Therefore, 0.75 base 10 in base 2 is going to be downward like this. 0.11 base 2. Now, can you see the logic here? When you are converting decimal part to binary, you do the total opposite of this. For the whole number, you repeatedly divide. For the decimal part, you repeatedly multiply. Are you getting it? You repeatedly multiply. So, and also for the whole number, you keep the remainder. You write the remainder outside. Why? For the decimal part, the numbers you carry, the last number you carry, you keep them out as your final answer. Then for division, for whole number, we start writing from down upwards. Why? For the decimal part, we start writing from up downwards. Is the same? Is very simple rather, just the opposite. If when you remember this, you'll be able to do this. Now, finally, therefore, finally, 13.75 base 10 will now be equals to, join these two together, equals to 1101.11 base 2. Very easy, our final answer. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.